Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're introducing... Sorry, hold on, my phone's... Hi, what's up? I'm in the middle of filming... With it here right now. But, oh, yeah, I can come right now, but I'm not prepared and I don't know Korean. Okay, just give me a few seconds to freshen up. I'll be right there. Sorry, I have to go. Okay, change of plans. Let me show you the feature that's gonna save my life today. The DeepHub AI Assistant. My Korean is very limited. With AI live subtitle and translations, presentations with foreign colleagues is possible and more efficient. So, as you can see, the DeepHub is a smart interactive whiteboard with an all-in-one design that facilitates collaborative work and supports diverse learning styles. It's also effective for teacher development programs and meetings, thanks to its features like wireless projection, whiteboard writing, video conferencing, and file management. The built-in AI understands voice commands and can respond instantly. List the benefits of using a smart interactive whiteboard for primary school classrooms in Korea. Get instant answers, agendas, and summaries with a simple command. Need to visualize a concept fast? You've got two main options. Circle to search lets you circle content on the screen, analyzing it, and then generating related images. Or you could use the AI image generation function. Create an image demonstrating how an interactive whiteboard can streamline classroom workflow. Generate custom images in seconds, ideal for presentations, brainstorming sessions, and more. With its live subtitles, smart Q&A, circle to search, and AI image generation functions, the Dahua DeepHub AI Assistant turned today's impromptu meeting into a collaborative success.